Currently, I have this CTA section that has content on the left and an image on the right. You need to wrap each element in its own container. In this example, I have wrapped the text content on the left in one container and the image content on the right in another container. They need to be on the same level or sibling elements. Now, to switch them in the mobile view, first select the first container. Under the Advanced tab, look for Order. Here, you can set it to End to move it to the last container. I'm going to choose Custom and set the order to 2. For the image container, set the order to 1 so it appears first. Thank you for watching.